Which one are you working on?
That one.
Okay. Which one you working on, Maya?
That one.
Okay. Show me the 43 again. Okay. And you are taking away 39?
Mm-hmm.
Why did you take away the 2 tens at first? Or you taking away 3 tens? Why are you taking away the 3 tens?
Because it says 4 take away 3, and that was supposed to be turned into a 3. And then if you take 3 from that, it's still a 1.
If I take 3 from what?
That 4 is gonna be a 1 because it got 110 blah blah.
Okay, I need you to show me 43. Show me 43. Okay, so this is your 43, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now I need you to take away 39. Can you take 39 from that?
No.
Okay, so what should you do at this point?
Add 10.
Give me 10. And what are you doing when you add in 10? What are you doing instead of? What do you have to do?
Take 110.
Take 110 away. Now give me 10. Show me 10. Now how many do you have?
Altogether, that's 13.
So you should have 13 here. And how many 10s did that leave you with? Let me see. Now take 9 from your 13. Take 9 from it. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're missing 1 over here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so is 9 from 13 equal 5?
Because when you count up from 9.
Count 9. Show me 9.
9.
And then count on from 9 to get to, add 5 more to 9 and tell me what you get. 9,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14, but you have 13 here. So what's wrong with this one?
It's supposed to be a 4.
At 4. And if you look at your manipulatives, here you started out with 43, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Then when you took one of these 10 away, you took and added 10. 3, 6, 9, 10, plus the 3 is the 13, okay? Now I'm going to take 9 from the 13. 3, 6, 9. You see how you had the 4 left? Okay, now you got to take 3 from 3. 3, take away 3. What's left over?
4.
4. That's how you got the 4. Okay, now try 46 minus 17.
Ain't to take away 17 from that.
You're going to take 17 away from that 46.
So take 1 away from that.
Tell me what you should do. Show me what you should do with your manipulatives. So if you have 46 and you want to take away 17 from that, what should you do?
Take 1 10 block away and then add 10.
There you go. Is that 10? Make sure you count that and make sure it's 10. Not the ones that you started with. This will be 3, 6. Okay, now take that 10 and add it with the 10 that you had, the 6 that you had. How much is that?
1, 2, 3, 16.
Okay, so what did you do when you took one of your rods away? When you took a rod away and you brought in some units, what were you doing?
Subtracting 46 times.
Yeah,
7.
but what were you doing with your rods when you started out with these 4 and you had this initially, right? You exchanged this for 10s because there are 10 units in one rod, remember?
Yes.
So I'm taking that 10 away and I'm taking this 10 and adding it to my 4. That's how I have the 6. Well, you're supposed to have 6. So that's the 6. This should be 10. 3, 6, 9, 10. So 10 and 6 will give you the 16. So how many rods did that leave you with?
3.
Okay. Not 12.
I mean,
now take 7 from your 16. Now put these with those. How many of those left?
11.
So are you telling me that 7 from 16 is 11? So you should have 16 here together, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I want 7. Pull 7 out. Push them off to the side. Now how many is left over there?
9.
9. Now you have 3 rods. I want 1 of them. Take 1 out. What's left?
2.
2. Now I want you to talk to yourself as you do 48 minus 19. I want you to build first. 48. And make sure it's 8, okay? Now, you got to subtract 19 from that. Good job. Now, how many units do you have? Which ones are called units? Show me the units. Just point to them. So how many units do you have in all?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
18. And you know a quicker way to do that? You knew you had 8 right here, right?
Yes.
And this was 10. What's 10 plus 8?
10 plus 8 is 18.
Okay, so 18. And how many rods did that leave you with?
3.
Okay. Now, take 9 from your 10. Okay. And that 1 will go over here with that. So if this was 8, what's 1 more?
9.
9.
I put that 9 right there.
And you know a quicker way you could have done that? You knew this was 10, right?
Yes.
If I need to take away 9, how many would that have left me with from that 10? 10 take away 9 is what? Count up from 9 till you get to 10. 9.
10.
How many did you move?
1.
1. That's the 1. And you put that 1 over there, that makes that 9. Now, take 1 of your rods from the 3. How many did that leave you with?
2.
2. Now notice your answers in these two. You see you had 48 and 46 here. You had 17 and 19. But look at your answers. They're the same, right?
Yes.
But you see 46 is 2 less than 48. 17 is 2 less than 19. So because you have numbers that are 2 apart, your answers will still be the same, because all I'm doing is just adding and subtracting, taking something away from where I started. If I start with 46 and 2 more would give me 48. If I start with 17, 2 more would give me 19. My answers will still be the same. Okay? Keep going.